Hey guys, let's just try to solve question number 20 in this clip. All right, so problem 20. I need to find the area bounded by those two lines. Y equals, let me write y equals, there we go. Y equals 2 times absolute value of x. And we have another function. All right, so I got extra function. I got y equals negative 1/4 of absolute value of x plus 8. So this wouldn't be that crazy hard. All I need to get is 2 times absolute value of x would definitely look like a V-shaped figure, right? It's going to definitely look like a V-shaped figure, and we got 0, 0 as the vertex, right? So what will happen for the vertex of the underlying function? Well, the vertex of this underlying function will be 0, 8. So I'm going to highlight 0, 8. So we got some 0, 8, and the shape will actually go like a mountain-shaped figure. It's going to go downward, right? It's going to go downward, but except it's going to go downward with 1/4 of a direction and 1/4 of a direction. So we got y equals negative 1/4 of absolute value of x plus 8. And this is what we have found. We got y equals 2 times absolute value of x. So I need to find the area of this bounded region. So it wouldn't be that crazy hard though, because we know that we can actually find the area of a rhombus. And I can tell you that this looks like the area of rhombus because it's totally symmetric about the line y-axis. So we got the base length of 8. All I need to find is the height. All I need to find is that height. Well, all I need to do is just to find out that height. So in order to find that height, I would say we need to solve this line equation. We need to solve this equation out there. How do we solve this equation? First, let's just try to identify that becomes y equals 2 times, not absolute value of x, but this turns out to be y equals 2 times x. That's what we want. And at the same time, the part that you saw here will eventually be falling for us. So y equals negative 1/4 times x plus 8. This is what we want. So we got to equalize these two. So if you equalize these two, 2x equals negative 1/4 of x plus 8. So what has happened? Well, 2 plus 1/4, and let's just try to pull this inside the open parentheses, and that becomes x. So that becomes 9/4. So 9/4 times x equals 8. Okay, so x equals 8 times 4/9. Right, so that will be 32/9, right? So we found 32/9. We found that this will be 32/9. This much is going to be 32/9 because that's the width. So we got 32/9, and I got positive 8 down there. So we can find the area of one triangle out there. So you can say that 1/2 times 32/9, the height, and here we get the base. We get base, and you multiply these out all together. So we get 128 divided out by 9. But at the same time, we eventually get 2 of these. So we need to get 128/9 times what? Times 2. So that will be 256 divided out by 9. Right, so what do we need to get? We need to get m over n. This is going to be m, and this is going to be n. Why? Because they are already relatively prime. One of the numbers is even number, the other is odd. So the answer that we want is going to be 265, and that shall be it.